Welcome to Come Follow Me Kids, where you will learn about the Doctrine and Covenants from kids. When I was in 2nd grade, I hurt my arm really bad, so I had to stay in from recess. A girl in my class said she'd stay in with me because she didn't want me to be alone. I knew this girl wanted to go outside, but she stayed in with me because she wanted to be nice. I knew I wanted to become good friends with her because how she treated me. Now, several years later, she is still one of my very best friends.
Let's compare the story to the revelation given to Joseph Smith in D&C chapter 18. Oliver Cowdery and David Whitmore were told to find the 12 apostles. In D&C 1838, it reads, "And by their desires and their works you shall know them." Showing your love and commitment to the Lord requires actions. The 12 apostles that had been chosen had showed their love and commitment to the Lord through their actions.
Just like how my friend showed me she would be there for me.
And the apostles showed that they would be there for the Lord. I hope my actions show that I am there for the Lord.
Bye!